Hey everybody, this is Okie Twister 66 in the garage today, and we're going to install a set of these on this. So stick around. Thanks for sticking around. Like most of the Harley parts, they come with some pretty good instructions, so here's page 1. And page 2. And page 3. So for these mirrors, I've chosen the genuine Harley Davidson motor accessories. These are the Dominion style mirrors. Go with the Dominion collection. They've got a lot of other different parts and doodads. They look kind of like a coffin shape to me. But this is probably one of the simplest installations you'll ever have. Only tool it requires is, I used a 1/2-inch gear wrench. So really there's nothing more complex than just taking this acorn nut off, and then you slide the mirror out, put the new one on, put the acorn nut back on and tighten it down. So like I said, probably the easiest Harley Davidson modification you will ever do. So there they are. Check them out. I kind of like the way they look. I did notice when I was riding they are a little bit smaller than the stock mirrors, but I can see just fine out of them. They are a very well-made product, so I can highly recommend these. So I'd like to give a big shout out to Georgia Ramblin' Man. I saw these on his bike and I was impressed, so I had to pick up a pair for myself. So thanks, man, I appreciate that. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, some comments, hit subscribe. This is Okie Twister 66 signing off from the garage. Until next time, have fun, ride safe, 2 wheels down.